Here in the second solution, we will use date value. This function converts text date into a real date or a number date if you want. But this function has one issue. It will return an error if your date is already a real date. It will give an error. Also, it will give you an error if your text date is not in the same format as your system date, which means in your Windows system. For example, here as you see, it's 12 January 2009, same as my system date, which is day, month, and year. Then it will work. So let me show you how. We will write equal date and we will choose it, this one. And we will drag here. Here it will not work because it's already a date. So if you put date value, it will just give an error. So we will copy the value and put it here. Now we will use the same function where we have a text date. We will drag. Here it will not work because these are real dates already. So we will just copy these. Here also we can use the date value. Now we will just make a copy and we will choose the correct format and we will delete this column, and now we can choose the tasks which started in 2022. We will use the filter function. We will choose, then we will use year so we can extract the year, and it should be equal to 2022. So like that we extracted our tasks which are in 2022. We will only correct the formatting. But here, this one should stay as general because it's the tasks. Yeah, seems correct.